I have here a ramp. I just, how do I do it? The easiest way should be with a slab. I just try to do something like this. Okay, I should have made the ramp a little bigger. For this example. So here the slab, okay, I just take this one down, so I have a form which I can subtract from. So Apple L, a new one, away with it. Okay, it's here. I put this to the new away with it. Then this one, planning, solid element. This one is the target, Ziel is target. This one is the operator, and I do it. And now I just turn off this away with it. And now you have such kind of ramp. But it's not really, it's still the whole object. So if you don't want to change it anymore, it is a good idea now to convert it into a morph so that it don't change anymore, or into a library part. A morph is better, I think. So right click, convert to morph. Okay, then I can activate the with it and delete it, because these things are morphs. If I don't need them, okay, and now I can make a library part out of it. This thing, that's the meter cutter, I think. Okay, you can easily show it in all relevant stories as it would be. So I'm in, okay, I can down deeper, here it is. Here's the meter cutting. If I wanna get it to concrete, okay, come on, okay, then I have to do it here, okay, concrete slab, you see it, cut it in 1 meter height in this story, and okay, and offset, underline, if you're down under, okay, it comes up here, and that's higher than 1 meter, so it's the arrows and going lines you have to put in yourself. So if you have this, just library parts, save as object, ramp with corners, save, okay, and now you have a special library part that looks the same, and it's much faster to display than the original one, but you won't see any difference in 3D. That's the Morph. I wouldn't delete this. I would take it out of the project somewhere that you have it anyway. And this one is just a library part. And as library part, it's relatively easy to change it a little bit. As you see. Okay, that's some ideas for this question. Have a nice day. Greetings from Austria, from Salzburg on the Lake Wallersee.